Sharing knowledge should be easy, but doing this effectively can often be more of a challenge than you might think, especially when the unexpected happens. Modern tech infrastructure is complex, and it's amazing how much chaos a simple mistake can cause. In keeping documentation easy to follow, but also easy to maintain, your projects gain much more potential for success, regardless of who's captaining the ship for any given task. To keep your team resilient to the unforeseen, and therefore your operations running smoothly, we've created Runme, a free and open source toolchain designed as a backwards compatible superset of Markdown that turns your project knowledge base into something living and vibrant. You'll be able to run shell commands, execute code snippets, chain, store, and diff live outputs, and even automate everything later on, all directly within your Markdown documentation. In essence, Runme is there to help you strengthen project communication, reduce costly mistakes, and boost your team's confidence by making it really easy to combine technical complexities with clear documentation that everyone can understand. The quickest way to get started is to install the Runme CLI tool and launch the web UI by typing Runme open. Or you can install Runme from within the VS Code extensions panel. Immediately in doing so, your Markdown will be upgraded into a runnable notebook. Inspired by Jupyter Notebooks, Runme Notebooks provide an intuitive UI to supercharge your documentation, but with way more flexibility than you've seen before. For example, to add a command, you can click to add a new cell, choose the execution platform, configure the task you want to execute, and then just hit run to see it output exactly as if you'd run it natively. Runme's core is powered by an independent binary, which comes bundled on install and which provides consistent functionality whether you're in the editor or the terminal. In fact, you can execute your new Runme notebooks anywhere that you can run a command, while having the added flexibility to craft a great experience for your team using powerful custom rendering options. To make things even easier, we've provided seamless integrations for your favorite source control providers, cloud service platforms, and containerization systems, with more being added all the time. Runme as a project will always remain free and will be supported with optional but powerful subscription-based cloud features, enabling quick and easy sharing and collaboration on notebooks, wherever you are in the world. Our goal is first and foremost to make a great tool that people love. So, give Runme a go, and then consider joining the Discord community, as we'd really love to hear from you. We'll see you there.